See that where the queen stay, where the king stay? Okay, it's Holyrood Palace, another word called.
King
Holyrood.
Charles
Yeah.
stay here.
Oh yeah.
Is the second palace?
Yes.
One is in London, one is here.
Yes, London and Scotland.
What about this one?
This is by more museums over there.
They open the evening,
opening
the
time.
afternoon.
Yeah. Oh yeah, they open.
King Palace, Edinburgh. Edinburgh, King Palace. That is a Parliament office.
Yes.
My right hand side. I can show you.
And the front there is a Scottish Parliament.
Scottish Parliament.
You can actually go inside. It's a free of charge.
Okay.
They allow you to get in there as well. Okay.
I can go 5 minutes and come?
Not now. They're not open yet. Possibly later on when the.
Okay. It's like a museum, huh?
Yeah, it looks like museums. Modern architectures.
This is called Calton Hills.
Calton Hill.
Calton Hill. Look at it. Weather is too cold, snow, too chill. Look at the palace. Calton Hill. Calton? Beautiful, nice weather. Can't cover here, this is me. No, cover, I'll come back here. Take me. See the city view, the hills, very beautiful. Wow. Thank you. This is the lead walk, one of the oldest road.
Yeah.
See the ferry.
Yeah.
This is a riverside. This is a port. This is a port.
That you walk to.
Hi guys, this is one of the old road. This is they call lead walk. See the ferry. They call lead walk. It's a river. One minute, I will slow. Window open. Window. Hi guys, yes, this is a PNB hotel.
Yeah. It's
This is harbor. Hi guys, I'm in Edinburgh, new city.
yeah, this is new city.
Once I finish new city, I can go back to old city. My hotel is there. See the new city. The new city, Edinburgh. But you didn't take me there, China. This is how. St. Mary's Catholic Church.
I will take you up to the car park.
Okay.
As you can see, you know the royal boat Britannia, royal boat, where the royal yacht, with
Royal
the
yacht
queens
Victoria?
and the kings and the Prince Charles, Prince Diana uses.
With Diana, okay.
But now it's stopped here for just for the museum only. If they open, I'm not sure they not able to access that.
Timber house. H&M. Tram. Scotland tram. Yeah, from here, right. This old village city I'm going.
It's where people visiting
Like a heritage village.
Dean Village.
Today night we are going to Think Thai restaurant. Thailand restaurant, Think Thai. Muay Thai, Think Thai. See the street, very nice, huh? Long street.
Long street now.
What is the street name?
This is Easter Road.
Easter Road.
Yes. I will take you to the old town again called Lead Walk.
Lead Walk,
by
okay.
the shore. You know?
Scotland. Edinburgh. City called Edinburgh capital. Long street.